Asephelile ke ngebafana bafana nkosi yami. But shout out to the boys. They did all their best. We are so proud as the nation. If I'm being honest, we are so proud as a nation. Yabo. They did well. We started like in a wrong foot, yabo. But we ended the tournament available. I'll say in a great way. Shout out to the boys. They fought more than like everything else available. The boys actually like fought, and yeah, it is a tough one to take. If I'm being honest, it is a tough one to take. Last minute goal. Yeah, but there were things. I don't even know what to say. I'm so emotional, but yeah. But shout out. They performed. At least they broke like a record. Congratulations to Canada. Shout out to my guy Drake. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. At least Drake is happy, but yeah.